Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Trevor Dongo anyora iye akati ane depression asi achingopedza kunyora pabva paitawo vamwe sisi vakati Trevor akandimitisa saka karma is real. Okay, so I'll just read a bit. Trevor arikuti, my closest people know me as a very strong person, but today I have to open up a little bit. Since 2021 I've been suffering from depression. Iyo yaita kuti ndisagone kana kutya kana kuita anything, even writing music. Anditika, I don't drink or smoke or take any substance. Saka zvinobva zvanyanyisa kurema. I find myself not being able to open up to anyone because of fear of being judged. Depression is real and it's eating me up from inside. Asi nyaya yacho haina kuzongoperera ipapo because sister vabva vangomanya anonzi Pretty Bull abva auya akati tell him karma is real. He put me through the same, even worse, when he left me pregnant with no plan at 20. But you see, there's a God in heaven. I have healed and moved on. And our son, whom you last saw when he was 1 year old, is 5 years. And you expect to be happy and have peace out there. I didn't know the devil can hurt you too. I say you deserve everything you are going through because you are an evil person. So hatizivi kuti zvichamuisa papi Trevor. Actually, it might lead him to even more depression kana vanhu vakazoswera vakumutrolla on the internet.